IELTS 2 question essays, I'm going to show you how to write a Band 9 answer. I'm going to be showing you how to structure a 2 question essay, including how to write the introduction, body and conclusion for a 2 question essay. I'm going to be giving you a model answer that illustrates how to get to 9 for task response, cohesion and coherence, lexical resource and grammar. This video teaches you the structure for a 2 question essay. As with all IELTS essays, there are 3 main parts to the essay: the introduction, the body and the conclusion. Looking on the left at the introduction, it starts with a general statement. This paraphrases the topic we're given. Then, the specific statement addresses the question or questions that are asked. This specific statement tells the reader what the essay is about. This specific statement is then reflected in the body of the essay. Each of the topic sentences contain points that were signalled in the specific statement. Then these main points from the body of the essay occur in our conclusion, where we summarise our main points. Let's look at a sample task. In the future, many changes will occur, and many people believe they will improve our society. Now let's look at the questions. There are 2 of them. This is because it's a 2 question essay. Do you agree or disagree? What kinds of changes will occur? Now let's look at how we're going to structure the essay. We start with an introduction. This rephrases the topic and introduces both questions. Then we write a body paragraph based on question 1. We're going to have 2 main points in this paragraph to support the opinion. Then we're going to write a paragraph that responds to question 2. Again, we're going to have 2 main points to this paragraph. Finally, we're going to write a conclusion which summarises the main points about each question in the essay. Let's look in more detail at the introduction. First, we're going to start by paraphrasing the question. As a result of developments that are taking place, a lot of people believe that life will become better. Now we're going to say what the essay is about. This essay discusses the reasons why the changes that are coming are positive, and also suggests what kind of changes will occur. Now, turning to the body of the essay, we're going to have 6 sentences in our first body paragraph. The first sentence is the topic sentence. This makes it clear which question you are discussing. The second sentence will introduce the main point. The third sentence will explain the main point. The fourth sentence gives an example to illustrate the key point. Sentence 5 introduces a minor point or second main idea for the paragraph. This sentence is then going to be followed by an explanation or illustrative example. Let me explain a bit more about some of the elements that I mentioned in the body paragraph. First, we need a topic sentence. This needs to guide the reader as to which sentence we're responding to. In this case, I'm responding to the first question about are the changes positive or negative. And you can see my sentence there. The changes that are coming are positive for two main reasons. Then we need to develop the main idea in our topic sentence. So the main idea is that it's positive. Now we need to develop it. We can do this through explanations, adding details and examples. I'm going to show you each. So, explanation. The main reason is that they will make our lives more convenient. Now I add some details to this to make this convenience clearer. We are likely to have more free time as a result of technology taking over many of our everyday tasks. This is followed with an illustrative example. For example, we may have robots capable of doing many household chores. Okay, so the paragraph development is essential, and this is the basic structure that you want to use for both body paragraphs in this essay. And then after you've completed both body paragraphs, it's time to move on to the conclusion. So, when it comes to our conclusion, there's two main things that we must do. The first one is that we need to signal the start of the concluding paragraph. We can use a phrase like, in conclusion. After this, we need to summarize the main points for each question. My conclusion is this. In conclusion, the future looks promising because we will have technology take over many of life's mundane tasks and will have better forms of entertainment. The most likely changes appear to be technologies to save us time and also enhance our leisure time. Let's just quickly review our task instructions before we look at the model essay. In the future, many changes will occur, and many people believe they will improve our society. Do you agree or disagree? What kinds of changes will occur? Now let's look at our model answer. As a result of developments that are taking place, many people believe that life will become better. This essay discusses the reasons why the changes that are coming are positive and also suggests what kinds of changes will occur. The changes that are coming are positive for two reasons. The main reason is that they will make our lives more convenient. We are likely to have more free time as a result of technology taking over many of our everyday tasks. For example, we may have robots capable of doing many household chores, and this will enable us to have more free time for enjoyment and relaxation. Another factor is that our recreational time will be enhanced by new technologies that make our entertainment even more fun. If we enjoy ourselves more, we will be happier and more relaxed. There are two main types of developments that are likely to occur. The first of these is time-saving technologies. Future enhancements of robotics are likely to lead to even more household tasks being performed by machines. As well as this, the entertainment industry looks likely to soon make enhancements to our recreational experiences by making new technologies available. A good example of this is 3D television, which will make watching movies more fun. In conclusion, the future looks promising because we will have technology take over many of life's mundane tasks and we'll have better forms of entertainment. The most likely changes appear to be technologies to save us time and also enhance our leisure time. This means that we are likely to have more time for relaxation and better ways to spend it. By the way, please note that last sentence. That's something I didn't show you earlier. That's something that you want to do if you're targeting 8. So a good conclusion for this type of essay will It will summarize the key points of the essay. An excellent one will add a sentence like I did that then makes some sort of final opinion or recommendation based on that summary. So that's what I've done in the last sentence. I've written a kind of an opinion about what all this means, about, based on the summary, what that means for us. That basically we're going to have more time to relax and better ways to spend it. Okay, so that last sentence is not so necessary getting to 6 or 7, but really important if you're trying to get to an 8. The first link on this page gives you more information about how to write 2-question essays. So if you're still not sure or just want to find out more information about this type of essay, then click on that link. The second link is to teach you other types of essays. Essentially, we need to learn how to write opinion essays and both sides and opinion essays. And then the final link is there if you would like to have some of your writing tasks corrected. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learned from it. Please subscribe to me so that you can get updates each time I release a new video. And also at the end of this video, I'm putting a couple of links to other videos that you might find useful. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video.